The beautiful shipping container home you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area and also a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. On the left side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator, and also on the front side we have dining counter with 4 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have attached powder room with this room. You can see here the water closet and the ventilator for ventilation of this washroom, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.